Hey everyone, in today's tutorial, I will show you how to block pop-ups in Microsoft Edge to prevent annoying ads and interruptions while browsing. Pop-ups can be frustrating, especially when they slow down your browsing or redirect you to unwanted pages. Thankfully, Microsoft Edge has built-in settings to block them easily. First, open Microsoft Edge on your computer. Make sure you're using the latest version for the best security and performance. Now look at the top right corner of the browser window and click on the three-dot menu. This will open a drop-down menu with various options. From the list, scroll down and click on Settings. This will take you to the main settings page where you can customize your browsing experience. On the left-hand panel, find and click on Cookies and Site Permissions. This section controls what websites can do, including showing pop-ups. Click on All Permissions. Now scroll down and locate the option called Pop-ups and Redirects. Click on it to access the pop-up settings. Here you will see a toggle switch labeled Block. If the switch is turned off, pop-ups are allowed. Click on the switch to turn it on and block all pop-ups in Edge. Once enabled, Edge will automatically prevent most websites from opening pop-ups, improving your browsing experience. If you still see pop-ups on certain websites, you can manually block them. Click on Add next to the block section and enter the website URL. This ensures that specific sites cannot show pop-ups. If you have ever needed to allow pop-ups for a trusted website, you can do the opposite. Click on Add next to the block section and enter the website's address. This will let pop-ups appear only on that site. Some pop-ups are triggered by notifications rather than the usual pop-up windows. To block those, go back to Cookies and Site Permissions. Click on All Permissions. Then click on Notifications. Here you can toggle off Ask Before Sending to stop websites from requesting permission to send notifications. You can also manually block or allow notifications for specific sites. If pop-ups are still appearing despite these settings, your computer may have unwanted software or extensions causing them. Click the three-dot menu and click on Extensions, and review any installed extensions. Disable or remove any suspicious ones. Another way to block pop-ups is by using In Private mode. Open a new In Private window by pressing Ctrl-Shift-N and see if pop-ups still appear. If they don't, the issue might be related to saved settings or cached data. Clearing your browser cache can also help. To do this, go to Settings, Privacy, Search and Services. Then under Clear Browsing Data, click Choose What to Clear and select Cookies and Cached Images. Finally, keeping Edge updated ensures you get the latest security features. To check for updates, go to Settings, About Microsoft Edge, and Edge will automatically update if needed. That's it. Now you know how to block pop-ups in Microsoft Edge and improve your browsing experience. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more tutorials. Thanks for watching, and I will see you in the next video.